guys!
Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Munira Yoba.
And me, Ruji Amir.
My name is Nurul Makfira.
And me, Warani Oda Ruslan.
Now, we will make a video project pronunciation about phonic sounds of consonant.
Okay, so before we class consonant sound, we must first know what is consonant.
Consonant is a speech sound or letter that represents a speech sound that is made by blocking air from leaving the mouth with the lips, tongue, or throat. Okay, the first is phonic sounds of p. The example: bed, book, bee, and black. Next, phonic sounds of C. The first, k. The example: cow, cup, and candy. Next, s. The example: financial and ocean. And next, s. The example is currently, circle, and city. And the last, s. The example is currently. Phonic sounds of D. The first, t. The example: door, dance, and desk. Next, t. The example: June and educate. Next, phonic sounds of G. The first, k. The example: go, came, and gum. Next, t. The example: giraffe, gesture, and jam. Next, J. The example: gentle, genius, and general. Next, phonic sounds of H. The first, the example: hello, head, and house. Next, Z. The example: exhausted and exhibitor. Phonic sounds of F. The sounds F. The example: fish, frog, and fun. Next, F. The example: face, feature, and five.
Phonic sounds of J. The sound J. J. Example: juice, jelly, juice, jelly. Phonic sounds of K. The sound K. K. Example: king, kangaroo, king, kangaroo. Phonic sounds of L. The sounds Example: lemon, lemon. Phonic sounds of M. The sounds Example: monkey, moon, milk. Phonic sounds of N. The sound N. Example: nude, nine, nude, nine. Phonic sounds N. The sounds Example: sing, tank top, sing, tank top.
Okay, so this phonic sounds P sounds P. Example: peach, pale, and panda. Okay, next phonic sound Q and sounds K. Example: quiet, quick, and queen. So phonic sounds R sounds R. Example: round, rich, and robin. Okay, next phonic sound S sound sh. SZ, sheets. An example: snack, sun, music, major, and sugar and cancer. Phonic sound T and sound T. An example: tiny, tech, and furniture.
phonic sounds of V, the sounds the example fan, fan, ferry, ferry. The phonic sounds of W, the sounds woo, woo. The example wet, wet, wine, wine. Phonic sounds the example queen, queen. The phonic sounds of X, the sounds X, X. The example fox, box, fox, box. The sounds G, G. The example exhaust, exhaust. The sounds Y, Y. The sounds U, U. The example yam, yam. Yes, yes. The sounds I. The example baby, baby. The sounds of Z. The sounds Z, Z. The example zebra, zebra. Zoo, zoo. The phonic sounds of sounds S, S. The example zur, zur. That's all from us. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.